My name is Mia Kino. I'm a junior and I'm from Newark, New Jersey.
Hi, my name is Declan Morrell-Smith. I'm the senior class president and I'm from Long Island, New York.
I am Trevor Mandia. I am a sophomore at Knox and I am from Long Island, New York.
My name is Olga Markovic. Currently I'm in my sophomore year and I'm from Serbia.
My name is Zana Wahid. I'm a senior here at the Knox School. I'm from Quorum, New York, and I'm a student council president here.
I'm Deng Chao Zhang. People call me Bulgari. I'm a senior in Knox School and I come from China, Shanghai.
So this year I'm applying to close to 18 schools. Some schools that I'm applying to would be the New York University,
Georgetown University,
Syracuse,
University of Michigan,
the University of Miami,
Penn State.
The college application process can be stressful and intimidating, but the Knox College Counseling Experience, a program designed specifically by Knox educators with decades of experience, makes the process stress-free for parents and students.
I would say that the college application process is going pretty smoothly. It's definitely a stressful time and there's definitely a lot of moving parts to it, but I think that Knox has helped me kind of make it an easy transition.
So when you first come to Knox, you start your freshman year, your college application process. So you grow along with your application, so you know what you want to study in the future.
Knox has prepared me in various ways for the application process as we start really young. Even though I'm in my sophomore year and I just came this year, I feel more secure about what I want to study in college and what I want to be and what I want to major in.
To sum up the Knox College Counseling Experience, it is a comprehensive program that we're able to take a very daunting and if somewhat surmountable task and break it down for each student to be able to give them a personalized program, a personalized schedule, everything that they need to be able to get through college applications and the entire process.
Understanding that the college acceptance and application process has become so competitive, we work directly with each student to make sure that their course selections are just as competitive as those applications. With our classes, including after-school courses that we offer to our students, we help them prepare for their TOEFL, SAT, and ACT exams.
The Knox School helps me a lot with my college application stuff. Every Tuesday, all the senior class will have a meeting with Ms. Kugana, our college counselor, to go over our college applications.
So the graduate seminar program here is meant to help seniors throughout their college application process. It helps walk each student through the Common App process, make sure all their personal supplements are written in a way that they are comfortable with, all transcripts are in, so there's less stress for seniors to have to deal with in their final year.
Leave college counseling to us. It's one of the many benefits that students and parents deserve when they invest in a private school education.